A football legend revealed on the red carpet that he wants to buy his boyhood club. Lewis Hamilton and Tom Cruise were among the stars at the London premiere of F1. The movie. Famous faces from the world of sport and beyond hit the red carpet in London's Leicester Square. Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise were pictured on the red carpet. Pitt was with girlfriend Ines de Raymond Lewis. Hamilton is one of the film's producers. Singer Tate McRae stunned in a black dress the film sees. Brad Pitt played the main character, and the Hollywood icon led an army of A-listers, turning up at the event. Cruise made a surprise appearance and embraced Pitt in front of cheering fans. Co-stars Kerry Condon, Damson Idris, and Simone Ashley were next to pose alongside the legendary actor. Hamilton turned up in a stylish, all-black outfit and sunglasses. The seven-time world champion is down as a producer of the movie, after helping to increase the film's realism. Singer Tate McRae went from her hit sports car to an F1 car as she dazzled in a long black dress. Sticking with music, DJ Peggy Go and pop star Ray turned heads in bold outfits. Ed Sheeran was also in attendance, posing for photographers in a light blue suit alongside producer and songwriter Blake Slatkin. Music icon Will. Idom rocked up in a Mercedes-branded jacket with a speaker attached to his bag. Motorsport presenters Emma Walsh and Ariana Bravo, as well as racing driver Bianca Bustamante, also stole the show with incredible looks. Other celebs that caught the eye were model Naomi Campbell and TV host Clara Amfo. Gareth Bale was spotted with his wife Emma Rhys-Jones, and the retired footballer revealed in an interview on the red carpet that he is looking to buy his hometown club Cardiff City.